Alright beauties, we're getting right into this Christmas bar. First, I'm making this hot buttered bourbon. You are going to melt a half a stick of butter in a saucepan, add a sprinkle of cinnamon and nutmeg, and we're going to let that meld all together. And then a half cup of brown sugar. I think I put a little bit more than a half a cup because it just fell in there, but I'll put the recipe in the description box. So I let the brown sugar dissolve in the butter in the pan, and you're going to need a cup of bourbon. I'm adding a little bit more because that's my business. And then you're going to remove the pan from the heat and stir in the bourbon. I will say make sure that your brown sugar is completely dissolved, because as you can see, mine tightened up a bit and I had to get rid of those particles because it hadn't completely dissolved. And to better pour it into my cups, I just went ahead and put it in the measuring cup so I wouldn't make a mess, because this is hot. So I have these nice whiskey glasses. I got them from Amazon. I'll link them in my description box. And I'm just making sure to evenly distribute the drink between the 4 glasses. And then on top of that, you're going to add some boiling water. Water actually opens up the flavors in whiskey, so that's why we're doing this. And then top it off, you have the option of adding some whipped cream.
All right, here we go.
Hot buttered.
Hey, go ahead, man. One more time. What are we drinking?
Hot buttered bourbon.
All right.
There we go. I got it
All
now.
right, here we go. It's not bad. The whipped cream smoothed out. It's hot.
I didn't get any whipped cream.
It's like it gives me like a hot chocolate kind of vibe.
I gotta drink all of this.
Yes. You gonna waste some liquor?
I don't want to, but it's hot. For me, it's too hot. It throws off the flavors that's in the shot.
In terms of the cocktail,
Here we go.
I would absolutely say that it's giving me hot.
Yeah.
Hold on. Y'all see, I actually don't have a problem with a hot buttered bourbon. Forever Williams.
Yeah, you've definitely covered that up. You mastered
I should have led with that.
Yeah.
For Evan Williams, this is
This is good.
because regular Evan Williams is.
It's also giving me like a toffee flavor now. As it kind of cools down, it's kind of giving me like a toffee taste.
See, but I think for me, it's just not a drink that I could finish. Like, I think this is better as a shot or a shooter.
Oh.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
might be onto something,
Yeah.
Ernest.
Yes.
Finish your thought.
Yeah.
Yes, please continue.
That's all I was gonna say. I think it's a shooter than a
You
drink.
literally
Just-
have me on the edge of my seat.
I know. The only reason I say that, one, is warm, and
Okay.
so
But imagine if you were outside and somebody gave you this.
yeah, I think that would be cool. But I think in the inside,
Hey, that does add something to it. Though.
yeah, it does.
It doesn't jingle my. I'm sorry. It doesn't jingle my bells necessarily, but to me it's a step under that because I think it fits multiple niches. We already talked about it. There's some drinks where I'm like, bro, this is never gonna be a good time for me to have this drink ever.
Yeah.
But we've
You know what I
already
mean?
got like several scenarios for this.
Exactly.
Would you revisit this drink?
I would make this at the house and feel great about it.
Okay.
Especially in the winter, only in the winter time though.
Only in America.
And I think it's got to be at least 30 degrees outside to drink
Yeah,
this drink.
yes, most definitely. I would concur with
I
your
think I give
statement.
it a hard time, bro. Like because all right, so let me say this then. Drink can be seasonal the same way we wait for sundress season as men.
Hey, all the fellas, my hearts go out to you, bro. We missed sundress season because of COVID. We didn't see it.
It was stolen.
So there you go. Merry Christmas.
Out of 5 jingle bells, how many bells are you giving it?
In this lane, I'm gonna give it a 4. Whereas winter, it's cold. I'm cool.
Usually it's cold in winter.
I give it 3.
Nikea gave it 3.
Yeah.
So I'm with Kia. I think it's 3. But I also
not
think
bad, but-
that I haven't had it in the right scenario. I'm gonna give it a 3 with an asterisk saying if I try it again that I might give it a 4 or 5.
I was gonna give it a 4 because it's delicious. And the only reason why it doesn't get the 5 jingle balls is because it does have to be in specific scenarios and situations.
All right, y'all.
That's the
Before
one
we
we
get
had.
too deep in this, because my friends, they can talk.
Oh yeah.
So I'm gonna
I
go
hadn't
to the
seen
next
these
drink.
I
cats
don't
in
talk
like a
like
month.
that. You know,
It's warm.
DJ,
y'all know me.
drop the beat.
Yeah.
All right, this next drink is called a Noel Spritzer. So you need some chilled Chardonnay. I got this from Walmart. I don't like Chardonnay, so I just got the cheapest one. So this drink just calls for 1 part Chardonnay, and I'm just using my 1 ounce shot glass to measure that. 1 part sparkling water. This one is a lime flavor. and then 2 parts cran apple juice. And then we're gonna get a little fancy and add a sprig of mint to the glass. Y'all see that? Bloop. Fancy. And a slice of apple for garnish decoration.
These look very Yuletide, like very festive.
This is a Noel Spritzer. We have Chardonnay,
Okay.
cran apple juice,
Okay.
sparkling water, a sprig of mint, and then you have a slice of apple.
All right, here we go. Let's see. Oh man, very refreshing.
This made me, this one I thought of Jazz. You know, Spritzer reminds me of Jazz because she's bougie.
Bougie.
We love to see it. This is actually really good.
Yeah, I could drink like 3 or 4 of these.
I hate Chardonnay.
Yeah, but my thing
But you
is,
mastered it really well.
I'm surprised.
I don't know how to just sip this.
I know,
Yeah,
it's
I
like
know.
very refreshing. It's
It
like,
It tastes like
it's
juice
cooling me
and
down
hot,
from the bourbon.
so-
it's just gonna give me throat.
This is really nice though. Like I would serve these at a Christmas party.
It's
and
not gonna get you throat.
I'm like Jazz though. How do you take a sip of it? Like look at mine.
Oh, I was going ham.
Wow. For the record, y'all see my joint.
I will give this one 4.5.
So I'm actually with Jazz on the 4.5, 5 jingle balls.
I think if this was Prosecco instead of Chardonnay.
I think they taste
or
like
You
juice.
can do the Prosecco and the Chardonnay and the cran apple and just take out the sparkling water because you'll get the sparkle streak.
Oh,
Yes.
now you on to something. To be in good spirits, holiday cheer. I think this is a good drink. This is something you can drink with your mama, and she's not gonna be like, "What the hell you done gave me?"
I'm gonna give it a 5 because it's good.
Okay.
Period. Y'all see? And I think it's the mint for me.
I'm gonna go with a 3. The
Oh.
taste is great and it's
Yeah.
universal, but it ain't gonna take me there. And for me, that's what drink's supposed to. I think the thing I look for in a drink: taste, potency,
Presentation
and
is 10 though.
And get, yeah, I agree. Okay, good. That's another one of my presentation is also important. At the end of the day, I don't want to be sipping 17 drinks to get where I can get and 3 of these. That's all I'm saying.
All right, on to our jingle juice. I'm adding ice to my shaker, and I'm adding 1 ounce of vodka plus another ½ ounce just to take it over the edge because as y'all heard, Dave likes potency. And then 1 part ginger ale. I'm using my 1 ounce shot glass to measure all of this. So it's 1 ounce of ginger ale, 1 ounce of cranberry juice, 1 ounce of pineapple juice. And once that is all in the shaker, I'm going to shake it up. As y'all can see, the ginger ale got a little excited to be a part of the party. So I'm using this glass to shake it up. I'm having way too much fun. And then I'm just going to pour it in these low baller glasses. And I'm gonna be fancy and slap my mint like Jazz told me and add it to the drink. Jingle juice,
Okay,
we
yeah.
have vodka,
Jingle
cranberry
jangle.
juice, ginger ale, sprig of mint. I slapped it this time.
That's slap it. That's open up and pour.
Oh, I can smell it too. You got-
See?
And I didn't just, it said 1 part of everything. Oh, and there's pineapple juice. And it said 1 part of everything, but I put a little extra vodka, give you a little potency.
I don't drink vodka.
Yeah, me either. Now I'm a little
But
nervous.
it's mixed drink. It's
Yeah,
a mixed
but
drink.
I
still.
don't drink. I haven't had vodka.
Wake up in the morning, I'm gonna have a headache.
So I'm a little lackluster.
Mm-hmm.
It's very pineapple forward. See, that's the thing about pineapple. Pineapple
It'll
is
take over everything.
It will take over.
I don't. It's flat for me.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it don't have no. For me, it's not good.
Yeah.
Like
What
It's not like
the
I'm
not-
underwhelmed.
What's the rating?
It's a 1 ball.
it's
I don't know.
it's definitely a 1 jingle ball for me. I mean, if I could give it a 0, I would.
I'm gonna drink it
Drink-wise.
because
You made it. We don't waste liquor.
Absolutely.
But I would not order this again at the bar.
No.
As a punch, it's not bad.
it would like you put this out
Oh,
at
like
the
a
party
holiday
as a punch and
punch? Oh,
you
yeah.
scoop it. So
Yeah,
maybe it's better that way.
Before you said holiday punch, I was gonna say this need to be like a $3, $4 drink at like a dime
Wow.
That
bar.
TGI
Wow.
Friday.
Yeah, like when you go to Applebee's and they say we
$1 margarita.
$1 margarita,
$1
this is
jingle
it.
juice.
Yes, $1 jingle juice all night. This is it right here.
Because I think presentation is there.
Yeah.
And I think potency is there. And that's important to me. Those are things that's important to me.
You take some liquor?
Yeah.
No, I don't.
Well, I made everyone's individually, so there's probably a little bit of variation.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
why.
She
Okay.
poured me up.
Yeah.
I chased my vodka.
My joint tastes like a little kitty drink.
But I was looking for it though. I do feel like it's very pineapple forward, but it's not the drink for pineapple just doesn't play nice with friends.
All right, so this is a flop. We gotta go get our food. I'm gonna make the next drink. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, this is the last drink because as you can see, we're all getting a little tipsy, but I'm just adding ice to my shaker because this is where I'm going to mix up the drinks. So we're gonna have 2 ounces of bourbon, because this is a winter bourbon punch, that's what it's called. Then an ounce of triple sec. And again, I'm using my 1 ounce shot glass to measure this all out. And 1 ounce of club soda. And then 2 ounces of orange juice. We only drink the best around here, baby. Simply, that's it. And this recipe got a little fancy, and it called for raspberry preserves. It called for 2 tablespoons. So I put that in the shaker, but I would suggest muddling this in the bottom of your shaker before adding the ice, or muddling it in the bottom of your glasses, because the preserves kind of got stuck to the ice. So now I'm just shaking it up, trying to be gentle because of the club soda. And the instructions recommend to strain it into your glass. And then once I got these all poured up, I just garnished it with a slice of orange. So this is actually one of those cutie oranges, but I was like, this is perfect. That's all I need. So got my 4 slices, and there you go. That is the winter bourbon punch, honey. We're fancy in these streets. Now let's see how they feel about it. All right, this is a winter bourbon punch. We have bourbon, triple sec, orange juice, raspberry preserves, club soda.
None of those things give me winter.
I was thinking that too, but it looks good.
Looks muddled. I don't taste the raspberry.
Yeah. You put raspberry in this one?
It probably got, there's ice in it, so it probably got a little chill. You see the little seeds? That's raspberry seeds.
That's why I taste the bourbon though. When I drink it, it's very, on the front end, it's very smooth.
I think everything else smooths the bourbon out.
Yeah. It doesn't give me winter. It gives me fall.
I feel like I can have this punch any time of year. I'm not sure what about it gives me, I can only have this in fall. Depends on what you're trying to get out of a drink. For me, potency, just being honest.
Hey bro, you on that.
Potency, presentation. Potency is there.
You know what this is giving me though? And now that you said that, it's more like, I'm not gonna call it an old fashioned or any of those types of drinks, but it gives me one of those drinks where you can just get any, and I want you to say anywhere, but
it's gonna be good.
Yeah, you like, hey bro, can I get this with the orange on top?
There we go.
And they like, yeah.
Exactly.
And it don't have to be
You don't have to be
winter, summer, spring, or fall.
That's all I'm saying.
I don't know if the flavor profiles work for me.
First of all, it gave me instructions to make it 1 by 1. It's just called a winter bourbon punch.
Oh, so these are all like festive type drinks.
Yeah. It's the video is Christmas bar.
Cocktails.
No, but listen, hear me out.
Yes. But this was, let me finish my thought. But you're interrupting my thought.
You interrupted my thought.
I'm reclaiming my time.
Okay, don't be like CJ.
Reclaiming my time.
Don't be like CJ.
Reclaiming my time.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, this is labeled as a punch, so maybe it would just be better if it's made like in a bowl. You scoop it out.
I don't disagree with that.
It's a little, just like the previous drink. It was made for like a large gathering, so we're just kind of tasting and sipping.
And that's what I was.
There's no point in me making a big bowl of punch for y'all. How many bells? How many bells are we jingling here?
I'm gonna give this one a 3 bell.
3 bells?
I give it 4.
Yeah, based on what you said, I was gonna give it 2 bells, but I'm gonna let it jingle 3.
I got 2 because it doesn't have, I'm gonna add a new criteria. It doesn't have repeatability to me. I can't order multiple of these and feel great about it.
Repeatability.
You know what I mean? Like I have one,
So
that was enough.
Potency, presentation, and repeatability.
Are these all the cocktails that we have?
Yeah, this is the last one.
So are we gonna do one?
I want to see like what's your favorite?
All right, cool.
What was your favorite? EJ, you go first.
My first, probably the Noel joint.
The Spritzer. What's your favorite
Oh
drink?
shoot, this is easy money.
What?
I'm going hot, buttered, hot buttered bourbon. That's easy money, and it wasn't even close to be honest.
What was your favorite drink?
I'm gonna have the same ratings as David. The hot buttered bourbon.
Hey.
Coming in a very close second would be the Spritzer, because that was definitely right up my bougie alley. So
I picked that for you.
Which one?
So I'm with the house of Stancil Willis. The hot buttered bourbon
I'll tell you what.
is my favorite, especially that whipped cream, and then you get to the bottom and it just mixes in there. All right, y'all, that is it for today's Vlogmas Christmas bar video. What do y'all think? What are some holiday drinks you have? Let's discuss down in the comments down below.
Is this camera on me?
it's not on you.
But thank you so much for tuning into this Vlogmas video. Thank you to my friends and my lover for joining me. And what's my exit? I'll be sure to see you in the next one. But before you go, make sure you go down below, click that subscribe button, and right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. I'll be sure to see you in the next Vlogmas video. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and bye.
All right, y'all.